Many programming languages are at the center of a cultural movement. They have their own communities, values, practices, and philosophy, and Python is no exception. The development of the Python language itself is managed through a series of documents called Python Enhancement Proposals, or PEPs. One of the PEPs, called PEP 8, explains how you should format your code, and we follow its guidelines throughout this course. It is PEP 8 which recommends we use 4 spaces for indentation in new Python code. Another of these PEPs, called PEP 20, is called the Zen of Python. It refers to 20 aphorisms describing the guiding principles of Python, only 19 of which have been written down. Conveniently, the Zen of Python is never further away than the nearest Python interpreter, as it can always be accessed from the REPL by typing import this. Throughout this course we'll be highlighting particular nuggets of wisdom from the Zen of Python in moments of Zen to understand how they apply to what we have learned. As we've just introduced Python significant indentation, this is a good time for our first moment. Readability counts. Clarity matters, so readability makes for valuable code. In time you'll come to appreciate Python's significant whitespace for the elegance it brings to your code and the ease with which you can read others.